Hey guys, welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about the top 6 products based on performance, budget, and value. Check out the description for the latest prices and info. Shure MV7 Plus. The Shure MV7 Plus Podcast Dynamic Microphone is a premium tool designed for podcasting, streaming, and recording. It features enhanced audio quality, ensuring your voice sounds clear and professional. The microphone includes both USB-C and XLR outputs, providing flexibility for different recording setups. Its LED touch panel allows for easy control of gain, headphone monitoring, and mute functions, all at your fingertips. The auto-level mode adjusts the microphone settings in real time, maintaining consistent audio levels without manual adjustments. A digital pop filter is integrated to minimize plosive sounds, ensuring clean recordings. Additionally, the microphone offers reverb effects, adding a professional touch to your recordings. The Shure MV7 Plus is built with durable materials and a sleek black finish, making it both sturdy and stylish. Ideal for podcasters, streamers, and musicians, this microphone combines advanced features with user-friendly design, delivering superior sound quality and ease of use. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, the Shure MV7 Plus enhances your audio production experience. Audio-Technica AT2040. This dynamic microphone doesn't require phantom powers and is perfect for voice recordings because of the hypercardioid pickup patterns. The Audio-Technica AT2040 podcasting mics has several internal features to help reduce background noises of disruptive sounds in audio. An integrated shock mounts reduces noise from vibration, and a multi-stage internal windscreen functions as a pop filter to further reduce noise. This mic captures clear, warm vocals. This podcast mic is great for beginners who can afford to invest a little more of their podcast budgets in a quality mic, or intermediate podcasters looking to upgrade their plug-and-play mic to get a more professional sound. The Audio-Technica AT2040 delivers broadcast-quality vocals at an affordable price. Movo CastMic. The Movo CastMic Dynamic XLR Podcast microphone is a top-tier choice for content creators, gamers, streamers, YouTubers, and musicians seeking high-quality audio. This cardioid microphone is designed to capture clear and precise sound by focusing on the speaker's voice while minimizing background noise. Its dynamic XLR connection ensures reliable performance and compatibility with various audio interfaces and mixers, making it ideal for professional and home studio setups. The robust construction guarantees durability, while the sleek design fits seamlessly into any recording environment. Whether you're recording a podcast, streaming a live game, or creating music, the Movo CastMic delivers exceptional audio fidelity, enhancing the quality of your content. Its ease of use and plug-and-play functionality allow you to get started quickly without complicated setup procedures. Overall, the Movo CastMic Dynamic XLR podcast microphone is an excellent investment for anyone looking to produce professional-grade audio content with minimal effort. FIFINE. The XLR interface amplifies the auditory space, providing an immersive podcast experience. The XLR microphone enhances vocal resonance effortlessly. By eliminating circuit noise interference and operating with a signal-to-noise ratio exceeding 75 dB, the podcast microphone XLR elevates the audio's dynamics and details. Utilize the vocal microphone alongside sound cards or mixer equipment in your studio to deliver more natural and high-quality audio. The USB dynamic microphone for PC, equipped with both USB and XLR connections, offers versatile podcasting options. Expedite your recording tasks by connecting the 8.2 FT USB cables directly to your desktop or laptop. The USB connection meets everyday recording needs and is conveniently portable for on-the-go work. The cardioid dynamic microphone for gaming requires proximity for recording, and the included windscreen mitigates plosive sounds, reducing vocal harshness. For bass audio recordings, the external shock mount minimizes low-frequency vibrations from the desk and mechanical noise, ensuring your podcast and YouTube studio recordings remain clear, natural, and powerful. The XLR dynamic microphone for podcasts, with a sound pressure level of 130 dB, maintains audio integrity without distortion during vocal, video, or music recordings. Its highly directional cardioid pattern handles background noise, such as hard drives or computer fans. The studio recording microphone captures detailed, original voice quality with minimal additional noise processing. Elgato Wave Neo Elgato has become a favorite among content creators, and the brand is attempting to capture everyone else's attention with a new consumer-friendly lineup. The Wave Neo is a more streamlined USB microphone that anyone can pick up and use. Simply plug it into your computer and you're ready. We found it was a great option for those day-to-day work calls. It has a sturdy stand you can make taller with an additional riser. The mic itself is tiltable, and there's a convenient tap-to-mute button on the front. Meanwhile, it supports replaceable pop filters and features a clip on the stand that helps keep cables in check. Finally, it works with Elgato's optional Wave Link software, which allows you to adjust the volume of audio channels all in one interface. MAONO. The MAONO XLR USB Dynamic Microphone PD200X is an exceptional choice for streamers, gamers, podcasters, and voiceover artists seeking versatility and high-quality audio. This metal microphone offers both XLR and USB connectivity, making it compatible with a wide range of devices and setups. The PD200X features customizable RGB lighting, adding a stylish touch to your recording environment. Integrated software enhances your audio with advanced settings, perfect for fine-tuning your sound. The microphone includes practical features such as a mute button, a headphone jack for real-time monitoring, a gain knob, and volume control, ensuring precise and convenient adjustments during use. Its dynamic cardioid pattern effectively isolates your voice from background noise, delivering clear and professional audio. Built for durability, the PD200X's metal construction ensures long-lasting performance. Ideal for various applications, this microphone offers flexibility and ease of use, making it a valuable addition to any content creator's toolkit. The MAONO PD200X combines superior audio quality, robust design, and user-friendly features to elevate your recording experience.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.